I'm going to show you how to play co-op in YAPYAP. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up Steam and then go to the Steam button from the top left, go to settings, scroll down to overlay or in-game, and then make sure the overlay is turned on. Now after you turn this on, you will need to restart the game if it's already running. And now in-game, you can simply press the Shift and Tab button to open up or toggle the Steam overlay. Or you can invite your friends directly from your Steam list. So you can simply click on your or right click on your online friend that owns the game and then just click on invite to game, or if they are already playing you can right click and join. This game currently only supports invites from your friend list or joins from your friend list, and public lobbies such as getting matched randomly by queuing up is not currently supported. And before inviting your friends, you want to click on play and load in the lobby. Now, once you're here, you can basically open up your Steam friend list and invite your friends, or you can walk in this room right here and interact with this orb, which is called the Ponder Orb, by pressing E. It should seat you down here and automatically open up your Steam overlay, where you can basically right click on 4 friends that you can invite, because a maximum of 5 players is supported by the game. So you and other 4 players. And once you invite them, they can directly join you in the lobby. Now, once they're in, you can go and start the game. And if you already started the game, they won't be able to join you. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.